Hey, it is Tony. Welcome back to the channel, your trusted source for smarter, stress-free travel. This is where we tackle the questions you did not know to ask and the challenges you did not see coming. Today, we are exploring hidden gems near Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, the world's busiest airport. In fact, it has held that title for 23 out of the last 24 years, connecting millions of travelers annually. If you have a layover here, you are in luck because there are some fantastic spots nearby to make the most of your time. But before diving into the nearby attractions, let us talk about navigating this massive airport and what makes it so impressive. Then we will explore the Porsche Experience Center, East Point's local charm, and the Atlanta BeltLine, all within easy reach of the airport. Let us get started. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is not just busy, it is massive. Spanning over 4,700 acres, it features two terminals, domestic and international, connected by a world-class underground transportation system. The plane train, as it is called, efficiently shuttles passengers between the airport's 7 concourses, making navigating this giant hub surprisingly smooth. Allow yourself extra time if you need to switch terminals, especially during peak travel hours. Another highlight of ATL is its air traffic control tower, standing at 398 feet or 121 meters. This is the tallest air traffic control tower in North America and one of the tallest in the world. It reflects the airport's incredible ability to manage high volumes of air traffic, thanks to its central location and extensive flight connections. Speaking of connections, Hartsfield-Jackson is a major hub for Delta Airlines. From here, travelers can access an extensive flight network with numerous domestic and international destinations. If you are on a layover at ATL and want to step out to explore, clearing immigration is a must for international travelers. The good news is that the airport's efficiency ensures you will not waste much time. Just ensure your visa requirements for the United States are in order before arriving. Getting around is easy thanks to Atlanta's public transit and proximity of attractions to the airport. Taxis, ride shares, and MARTA, the city's rapid transit system, are all convenient options. Most nearby spots are just a 10 to 20 minute ride away, making ATL a surprisingly great airport for layover adventures. Let us start with the Porsche Experience Center, located just minutes from the airport. This is a dream come true for car enthusiasts and a unique way to spend a layover. You can test drive a Porsche on their track, take a tour of the facility, or visit the Heritage Gallery to see iconic Porsche models. Even if you are not a car buff, the sleek architecture and immersive experience make it worth a visit. Book in advance for driving experiences to ensure availability. Next, there is East Point, a charming area just a short ride from ATL. It is perfect for a low-key, authentic experience. Grab a bite at Coop Chakery, a local bakery known for its creative cupcake flavors, or stop by Oz Pizza, a neighborhood favorite serving delicious pies. The vibe in East Point is relaxed and welcoming, making it a great spot to recharge. Finally, there is the Atlanta BeltLine, a vibrant hub of activity and culture about 20 minutes from the airport. This network of trails and parks is perfect for stretching your legs after a flight. Rent a bike or take a walk along the East Side Trail, where you will find public art installations, local shops, and plenty of dining options. It is an excellent way to experience a slice of Atlanta's personality. even on a short layover. Wondering how much time you need for these activities? If your layover is at least 6 hours, you can comfortably visit one of these spots. For the Porsche Experience Center, you will need around 2 to 3 hours, including transportation. A visit to East Point or the Atlanta BeltLine can also fit into a similar time frame. But if you want to explore both, plan for at least 8 hours. As for luggage, if your bags are checked through to your final destination, you will not need to collect them. However, always confirm with your airline during check-in. Hartsfield-Jackson, Atlanta. International Airport is not just the busiest airport in the world, it is also a gateway to some incredible nearby experiences. Whether you are racing a Porsche, enjoying the charm of East Point, or exploring the Atlanta BeltLine, a layover here can be so much more than a wait. What is the most unique thing you have done during a layover? Share your experiences in the comments below and they might be featured in a future video. If this guide was helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss upcoming episodes. Thank you for watching and safe travels. I will see you in the next video.